Alright, we're back here again. Well, I went to the green door, and we ended up here. And the code is here is 528. 528. Okay, let's do this. Okay, what's this? Ah! What's going on? This does not feel good. Hello, why am I masked? Huh? Unused. 0. Yeah, violated terms of. Huh? 0. Huh? I thought this was innocent! When will this game be over? Wait, who's that? Is that a guest? Yes, please come here. Please! I need therapy for this. I need therapy after this, I mean. Avatar so much. This is not my actual avatar, by the way. Please! Help me! Help me! Help me! Help me! Please, help me. Help me out here! Oh my god. But at last I have to go. What was that? Is this the end? I have a bad feeling about this again. I'll just explore the place. I see cake. Why did they use the Minecraft eating sound? Something seems off here. I think me and you probably is also probably. Me and you are also having a bad feeling about this, I suppose. I'll eat everything you see. Yeah. I think I have to eat all the cakes, I guess. Because I can't go back to eating them again. Aww. Oh! We did it! We have to eat all the cakes! Oh, shoot. We have come to face you. I'm not afraid of you no more. Come here. I don't know what to say. But no, I'm not scared anymore. Trust. You look like Slender Man. And then I regret saying that. Are you kidding me? Are you running away from me? Oh, come on. Do you really believe this? Believe? I didn't eat here. Did you? Believe in what? Because of this, your fate is sealed. Now, in the pits of darkness, the deepest pits of hell, what? He will remember. Remember what? Ah! I know what this is now. I think it's a reference to the flowers ARG or not really an ARG. But yeah, I think the text. I think that what the text said was flowers. Whoa. Another text. Come on, dude. Spill the tea. Oh my god, what is that face? You look ugly. You look ugly. Why did I say that twice? You don't look beautiful. You don't look beautiful. I have to lower the volume. Hello. You?
It's been with you the whole time. You just never noticed.
What did he say? Flowers. Why is flowers here? I'm terrified. Come on, dude. Let me have a moment of peace. I see you right there. This is just. Hello. You look so beautiful. I'm not on computer. Haha. Press A. What? Ah! Ear ape! Ear ape! Is that a tree? Ear ape, guys! I'm lowering the volume. I'll have to. I don't get. Attempt to teleport to faces. Yay! There are people with me! Why is it so? Oh wait, I could just do this. It says attempt to teleport to a place that's restricted or something? Here we go. This is not good. I don't know, dude. I think, is this the end? Nah, this is not the end yet. I know it. I know some. I'll just tell it that I'll explore. Oh wait, they're also thinking the same thing. Yay! There are actual people here. But oh my goodness, my lag. No, I think it's on purpose. People are pretty much experiencing this. Oh, these are other players. Okay. I'll just follow where they go because I guess we're both lost in this. Dang, this video's already been like 9 or 10 minutes or so. Oh, I'm so glitchy. I think this was intended. Glitchy gameplay. Yeah. Alright, let's jump down. I think we have to go to the tree. I don't know. This is confusing. This is just my first time playing the game. I mean, this is the second part, but maybe we can at least find something here. I'm being quiet because this is a bit boring now. But I hate the ear rape so much. This ear rape sound. For headphone users who are playing this, I recommend to lower your volume, please, because trust me, this is not gonna be good. Let's just jump down. No, I can't. There's gotta be an entrance to the tree. Yeah, I think there is, but I swear I saw sign saying something like this. Wait a minute. The others are still here though. Place restricted. Oh, that's what it said. What do we do here now? This is so glitchy. I got that much. I think the game is like a thing, or I don't know. What is this game name? Huh? What do you mean? Let's select currency. That means the next game is private search. I'm searching for clues at Google. Alright. Well, I'll end the... I think I'll end the video here. Or whatever. Or I don't know if that's what... I don't know if... I don't really know this right, right? Or I'll probably... There's no next level. Yeah, what is this? I see you. Beware of Banana King. What? I don't get it. Huh? What? Why do I keep pressing that? I don't know if it... around the fan again, huh? Oh wait, there's someone's right there. I'll be going to the right, I suppose. This face is so goofy. I can say. Oh man, I can't use the chest now. I'll try going to the edge of the map, I suppose. This is confusing. Really? I think they're... I'll just try touching the trees. No, not in the suspect. Because it's like that one brick or that one wall we saw at part 1, perhaps. No? I just ran over to random tree. Yeah, I think we also have the same plans, but I don't know if he's even a real person or not. Is he? Oh, he is. Okay. I don't know if he can chat. Oh my God! That's a. King Banan. What if we get hacked? The one jumping is me. Oh, right. Please no. Guys, I have a bad feeling about this. King. What do you mean help? Hopefully it's like a joke or something. King Venom. Bro, that's what he mentioned. Beware of Banana King. I have a bad feeling. When I got close to someone, the noise got louder. Maybe we should go together or something? I have no idea. Where are you guys? I have a bad feeling about this. King. I think it's a normal person. There's really no way. Is there? I'm gonna just stop speaking. Well, part 3 will be soon. See ya.